What is up, techies? It's Fluffy here, and today we are trying something different. Usually, when you hear Shokz, you think of those bone-conducting headphones that runners wear so they don't get hit by cars. But today, Shokz is entering the lifestyle game with these. These are the Shokz OpenDots One. They are open-ear, clip-on earbuds that look a bit like futuristic jewelry. I've swapped out my trusty earbuds to test these out. Are they just a gym accessory, or can they actually replace your daily drivers? Let's quickly see what's in the box. It's pretty straightforward. You get the charging case, the buds themselves, a USB-C cable for fast charging, and the usual paperwork. The design is interesting. They loop around your ear cartilage like a cuff. Shokz calls this arm the joint arc, made from nickel titanium with a soft silicone coating. I have a silicone allergy, and I was worried. But honestly, no reaction. They feel premium. And get this, there's no left or right bud. You just grab one, make sure the battery part is behind your ear, and you're good. That is a small detail, but it saves so much brain power in the morning. Now, comfort. This is where these things shine. I sometimes wear glasses, so ear real estate is expensive. But the OpenDots One didn't fight with my glasses arms at all. I took these on a walk, they stayed in place perfectly. They are IP54 rated, so sweat and a little rain are fine. Just don't go swimming with them. Because they don't jam into your ear canal, you avoid that plugged up feeling. You can wear them all day and forget they are there. It's literally like wearing nothing. But how do they sound? For an open-ear design, I was genuinely surprised. The sound is decent. It's not going to blow your mind like a sealed in-ear monitor, but for podcasts, audiobooks, and casual music listening, it's solid. You can cycle through presets in the app: standard, vocal, bass, and private. Vocal mode is great for audiobooks. The bass, well, it's there, but don't expect it to rattle your skull. The biggest pro? Awareness. I walked around, listened to my music, and could still hear a cyclist coming up behind me. That safety factor is huge. The biggest con? No, active noise cancellation. If you're on a noisy commute or a plane, this won't block out the engine roar. You hear everything. Alright, let's get real. Here is my take. I am giving the Shokz OpenDots One a solid silver rating. Here's why. They aren't perfect. The controls can be annoying and the sound quality isn't audiophile grade. But for daily life, working in an office, walking the dog, going to the gym, they are fantastic. Daily use. The comfort is unmatched. I wore them for 8 hours straight without fatigue. Being able to hear my mom ask me a question without taking them off is a relationship saver. They are the ultimate background soundtrack headphones. If you want a soundtrack to your life while actually living it, these are a great choice. So, are the Shokz OpenDots One for you? If you hate the feeling of ear tips or need to stay aware of your surroundings, absolutely. I have included the links to the products. If you love them, you can now get them. What do you guys think of the open ear trend? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this review, smash that like button, subscribe to techbeatph and hit the bell so you don't miss our next video. This has been Fluffy, reminding you to stay open and stay safe.